Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal raisin cookies from scratch. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready to go. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This forms the rich base for our wonderful cookies. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once combined, gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and we want them perfectly tender. With our base dough ready, it's time for the stars of the show, the oats and raisins. Gently fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and 1 1/2 cups of plump raisins until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Next, and this is a crucial step, chill your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading and enhances the final texture. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of the chilled dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your homemade oatmeal raisin cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.